How to day trade on Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can day trade on Robinhood. Now day trading on Robinhood involves buying and selling financial instruments like stocks or options within the same trading day. Here's a basic guideline on how you can day trade using your Robinhood platform. So first of all, you'll have to create an account or you'll have to log in. So before diving in, understand the basic of day trading, study market trends, news and patterns as well. Research the stocks on options you're interested in trading and create a strategy as well. And after that, you can also explore Robinhood's interface and features. You can get comfortable with trading tool charts and order type availables for day trading as well. And then you can start creating a watch list of stocks or options you plan to trade. Keep an eye on the movements, volumes and news that might impact their prices as well. You can also consider using Robinhood's paper trading features or other simulations tools to practice without risking real money. You can also define your entry and exit point, risk management strategies, and maximum amount you're willing to risk. And then you can day trade on Robinhood. So you can buy a stocks through the app and then you can sell it later on in the day as well. So in order to buy stocks, all you have to do is go to the profile and then it's going to take you to the interface where you can actually buy stocks, EFTs or other cryptos and whatsoever. So all you have to do is just use the search bar tool right on top and then you have to tap the trade button and make sure to select it accordingly. Also make sure that you have enough funds. So that's basically how you can day trade on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.